Hello, this is Davey again. I'm in Daxing today. I'm going to show you a very beautiful, neat, traditional Chinese art museum, rosewood furniture. The name of this museum is called the Hongwen Boya. It's about 20 minutes driving from Daxing International Airport. Once you first step into the main lobby, you will be attracted by the beautiful settings. As a guest, I'm always supposed to sit to the right of the lobby. Do you know why is that? I will tell you later, but as a matter of fact, you are not supposed to do like this or that. You are required to always have a straight up sitting posture. I will explain to you more. Okay, follow me. Let's just show a beautiful section of the open room. As a matter of fact, China is a very rich country in natural resource and wood. This is widely planted all over the country. And for thousands of years, wooden construction is popular in China. As a matter of fact, you see we have a wooden palace, we have the wooden pagodas, we have a wooden furnitures. This is not only because wood is easy to get, but also, the joint of each single piece is really something we call tenons and mortise structure. If you have been to the Forbidden City in China, you must be always amazed by the beautiful nailless constructions. And this is just because of this tenons and mortise structure. And the wooden one, this is, as a matter of fact, a beautiful thing. Well, and here comes a very neat, we call the R-hat bed, 罗汉床 in Chinese version. This is my favorite because once you just finish your talk with the owner of the house, you'll be always invited into the inner room. You can sit here like this, you can do like that, you can drink tea, and you can play check. So this is a more relaxing area. And look at this beautiful carving. You must be curious, how much is that? Well, at least I cannot afford that. And after this, we are stepping into a traditional studio we call the home studio. As you know, the Chinese scholars in the ancient times, if they want to be famous, they must have a very good skill for Chinese calligraphy work. And some of them should be very good at traditional painting as well. So the table just offers such a big space for the artist. This hall also keeps one of my favorite furnitures. This is what we call the Ming furniture. Well, you say, oh, David, this is just like a chair. Why you call that a Ming furniture? Because at the end of the 17th century, when a lot of the missionaries from Europe came to China, they just collected this and introduced this to Europe. This is what we call the armrest sitting chair. Once you just sit here, just feel, oh, I'm very much quickly falling to sleep because that's really comfortable. And if you are curious to know how the chair like that eventually came into being, the next place I'm going to show you will give you the answer. Wow, look at the wall here. So the wall is full of every single piece of the chair. So it gives you a perfect demonstration of how tenon and mortise structure eventually work. And look at these all beautiful joints and how each one should be coordinating with the other and eventually present a beautiful armrest chair. So this is not only the wall with a collection of wooden pieces, but also the wall with aggregation of Chinese ancestors' wisdom.